Going to unbox our Tesla Tequila. Can't wait to see what's inside. All right, got our little lady. Very exciting. Tesla. It's probably supposed to stay in there, more than likely. Just a little more yummy stuff. All right, and here she is. It's a little instruction on how to take the bottle top off. It says it's handcrafted skill glass, so if you do it wrong, you could break it. And here she is. Handy sand. Ooh, it's actually metal, so it's actually good. It's got a little Tesla logo on it. Bottle's pretty heavy as well. And there you go.